Hi, I'm Danny Duha. Welcome to Want to See My Duha Productions. Today we are going to be installing the all-terrain on the Can-Am Defender. And it's a very simple process. You'll get your box like this. You'll get a box of the bolts and the plates. So I've already put one on the end, and I'll show you how to install the other one. It comes with 8 bolts. You got a washer and a lock washer on each one of these. And you'll just take your plate and put the side that doesn't have the slots towards the outer part, because that's going to be hooked to your vehicle. The other one goes this way, goes all the way to the back of the, as far back as you can get it, and we'll put on the 4 screws like this in the already pre-installed inserts that are in the bottom of the all-terrain. So we just put them on like so. You can use a wrench or an impact or whatever you've got handy. Just tighten them down like so. Don't over tighten or you might strip it. And that is all that's to it. Now we've got a plate on both sides, and next we'll take and put it up on top, and I'll show you how to install that. All right, now we're going to install this with this bolt and this nut to the bed of the Defender. So we'll want to have this up in the air and on here where this door will open up to get to the top like this without falling back over. So you've got a little adjustment here where you can move this in between. So we'll look down and we'll see that the slot is over our attachment point right here. So this just goes up into here, and we'll look down here to find the thread, and we'll take the bolt and we'll put the bolt into the thread. Once that's in there, then we can adjust this to get it exactly how we want for the lid. And same on both sides. We'll just take either a wrench or and tighten it down, and now it's totally tight. Now your lid will shut, and it's installed.